everyone, and welcome to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you never miss a new video or a live stream, and give me a big thumbs up at the end of the video. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl CheKesha Simms of Her Lovely Plan, and today's decorate with me will be in my mini undated happy planner. So I like to pop my pages off of the disc because I like to turn my pages in all different ways while I'm planning. So I was really inspired. I started to see several different planner babes use the different shapes out of this sticker book from the Happy Planner. So I decided to use these hexagon stickers and kind of stagger them throughout the spread on each page. This actual spread is probably one of the most simplistic spreads that I did. I didn't really do a lot of decorating, simply because these boxes covered so much of the page and it made its own statement by itself. I really didn't have to do a lot. So I'm gonna pretty much use every single last one of these hexagon stickers on this sheet. The only thing that'll be left are these three black stickers in the middle of the page. So one thing that I didn't mention, I'm using my white out because you can see the yellow through the sticker. I really don't care so much about the black lines showing, but I did definitely want to cover up those yellow lines. And I remember I had these doll stickers. I cannot remember for the life of me which shop they're from because I had to cut the top of the stickers off so it can fit in my photo album. But she had these cute yellow stiletto pumps, and then I figured I could bring in some blue into the spread. So I decided to find a couple of stickers in this Empowered Woman sticker book, and then I'm going to actually pull some of the accent pieces from the Fun Floral sticker book. Okay, so what I am doing now, I'm laying these navy blue or dark blue flag stickers because I thought they matched the jumper that the sticker doll has on the right side of the page. But later on I do decide to go ahead and remove those because I decided to do something a little bit different. So what I'm doing now is just finding some headers to indicate what those boxes would be for if I was actually planning in this planner. But as you guys know, I am not using happy planners to plan in. I'm just using them to decorate in. And I do this not to waste stickers or to waste pages or waste time, but I do this because I know that I have a lot of subscribers that use happy planners. Some use traveler's notebooks, some use Hobonichis, some use Erin Condrens, whatever the case may be. I like to still provide a variety of different type of plan with me's and decorate with me's, so everybody can kind of have a different take on how to set up their spreads. As I've said before in the past, I am a planner that likes to have decorations, but I also like it to be functional. And by adding these boxes, it gives us some deco, but it's still very functional because it's still enough white space to add what you need to add. Prime example, on the right side for Friday, I have that hexagon. I can fill things out, and I still have plenty of lines left on the left side of that hexagon to write in. So I'm just still trying to find these headers from this sticker book, and I decided to add this gold I love weekend banders, just to kind of pull that goal out from those important stickers that are on the left side of the page. So y'all already know I cannot talk through a whole video, so breaks are necessary for me. And I wanted to save my breath because this is the most favorite part of decorating in my spreads, especially my happy planners. I love layering flower stickers. I love to cut them in half, layer them in different areas, and that's what you're about to see me do right now. This first sticker, I kind of was like, in my mind, I thought it was gonna work, but once I cut it, I didn't like the little space that it left in between the two hexagons. So you'll be seeing me kind of rearrange that. And looking at it while I'm doing this voiceover, you really can't tell, but you know, me being strategic in how I lay my stickers, I had to move it, but it worked out because I actually like moving it to the top of the page better, because it took out some of that empty space that was right there. And again, it still leaves me a little bit of extra area on the left and the right side of that hexagon to still go ahead and write some plans. So if I was again using this planner, I really don't have a lot of things to write on Wednesdays, so I can be more generous in regards to decorating. I can add more deco because normally that's my Monday. I go to work. I really don't need to write anything specifically. So don't feel like when y'all are planning that you have to leave so much white space. If you know you don't have any plans, go ahead and load that thing up with decorations. Balance it out. You know, have fun with it. Don't feel like you have to, you know, do what everybody else does, because this person might be white space planner, you want to be white space. If this is a deco planner, make it work for you. And again, that's why I do my videos, because I just love to be able to inspire you guys to just have other alternatives, to see other ways to plan and other ways to decorate. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just lay some more of these flowers, and I'm gonna go ahead and let the video play for a little bit. All right, I'm back. You know, I had to take another breath. So right now what I decided to do was to pull these super cute bow headers from the Planning City. And I do PR for her shop. So if you are interested in these super cute stickers, make sure you check out the description box below, because I do have her link along with my discount code. Now, I normally only use my foil stickers in my traveler's notebook, but it was something about this spread that I felt like it needed just this little extra pop of, as my planner sis says, shimmy, 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 shimmy. Shake your shoulders. I love you, Lisa Mack. Like, I'm going to use that line all the time. But yeah, so I decided to use them in this planner. And even though, again, I'm not planning in it, I still, you know, I don't want to skimp on what I use just because it's a decorate with me. I want y'all to get the full effect, see how the spread would be if I were to use it. I like to plan authentically. I don't like to plan and decorate just for show. I want you to actually see how I decorate for myself. All of my spreads are decorated for myself. So what I'm doing now is just kind of looking through my sticker book, because I decided that I wanted to add some coffee stickers, because as y'all know, Mondays and Saturdays are my Starbucks days. So I'm pulling these stickers, which again are from Planning City, and you can get them on her shop, and you can use my discount code. And when you use my code, you also get my freebie. And I have these amazing, they're like almost hollow gold stickers, and they were all stickers that I got to pick out that I liked. So there is a But First coffee one on there, and it is foiled. So I decided to move the one that I put for Caffeine Fix and do the Coffee Monday, because it's Coffee Monday. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope it's inspired you. If so, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up and drop me a comment below in the comments box. And as well, check out the description code for all the discounts. And if this video has inspired you, share it with your planner friends so they can be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace. Thank you again for watching Her Lovely Plan, and I hope that you click that subscribe button and that notification bell.